Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today we will see how to glue documents with views. If you have several documents you want to translate at once to benefit from auto-propagation, you can glue them with a view. To do so, open your local project, select the documents that you want to glue together, and either come to the Documents ribbon and to the Create View button, or right-click on your selection, come to the Create View option, and click on it, and there you go. Once there, give your view a name and select this option, Simply Glue Documents Together. Click on OK, and your view will be created just next to the Documents tab. Open it, and you will be able to start translating all the documents at once. Once you get started, you will see that the segments that you will translate here in your view will be populated to the actual documents where these come from. In case you want to check, you can click on Jump to, and memoQ will take you to the actual document where that segment comes from. Thanks for watching.